misses out. Naughty Tata pass to begin. Moving up in the middle, Kiki Tyler 2. Moving up Donnery inside. Life is Delicious. Next on line, Run of Mine. And Graceful in that order. And going along for the first turn, the lead now belongs to Life is Delicious by about 2 lengths. Kiki Tyler 2 is right behind in second. And moving up now to take third, Run of Mine. Graceful is racing in fourth. And Naughty Tata in that order as they swing down the bank. Is still in control. Life is Delicious. Moving up now on the outside is Kiki Tyler 2. And into the Run of Mine, then followed by Graceful and Naughty Tata. And still Life is Delicious. Back to 3/4 of a length lead. Kiki Tyler 2 remains in second. Run of Mine in third. Graceful now coming closer in fourth. And Naughty Tata. And still Life is Delicious. Final Bengari Hapa. And on the outside is Kiki Tyler 2 as they come at the last 200. Life is Delicious. Final length. And on the outside is Kiki Tyler 2. Last 100 meters of the race. And it's still Life is Delicious. And time from gate to wire. Life is Delicious. Kiki Tyler 2. Graceful, Run of Mine, and Naughty Tata. 135 ang 13542.
Despite na hindi magandang salida kanya, pero nakakuha agad siya ng maganda at